In our previous video, we made a new item, a large shoebox. Now we need to order some for our inventory. In order to do that, we're going to make and execute a purchase order. To work with purchase orders, we're going to go to Orders and then Purchasing. We can either go to Create Purchase Order, or we can click on the Purchase Orders page and then on the Create Purchase Order button within that page. Opening up the Create Purchase Orders page takes us to this page that allows us to add a new purchase order. We'll notice that we can't fill in the order number because the auto number setting has been checked, so the next order will simply be filled in sequentially. We can, however, fill in the other required fields: our supplier, where we're shipping it to, and where the invoice will be sent. We can also fill in a buyer and a shipping method. The supplier order and supplier attention fields aren't going to be used, but if your company does want to keep track of this information from the supplier, then you can set them. We can also set payment terms, terms and condition, and other charges, discounts, and sales tax if applicable. Then when we hit save, we can see that this allows us to navigate to the other pages of the purchase order. The most important page is the line items page. This is where we set what we're actually buying. Here we can click on the Add Line button to pick what we're buying, and then click on our item. Here we can set the number of units, set the unit price if it's different from the default, as well as the unit of measure and the package. Clicking Save will autofill any fields that we changed. Then we can go to the Notes and Totals page. Here we can see our terms and conditions, any notes that we put in on the header page. We can also change our discount and sales tax percentages, and also alter our fees and if those fees are taxed or not. Once all this information is set, we go back to the line items page to finish our purchase order. We can click on first this checkbox and then the Receive button to send our items to the direct receipt page to receive them into our inventory. Here, once again, we click on the checkbox and then the Receive button. If we want to complete the order, which we do here because this is all of the items that we wanted to order off of the purchase order, we can simply click on this OK button and it'll be done for us automatically. Although don't do that if you have other items to receive. Then we'll get notes that the order was completed and the items were received successfully, and also get the option to print out labels for our purchase order. Now that we have the items in our inventory, our next video will be about shipping them out to our customers.